In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off orange dot on iPhone. Let's get started. The orange dot means your iPhone's microphone is being used. Usually this is triggered by an app or background feature. To see what's using your microphone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. At the top you'll see the microphone indicator. Tap on it to check which app is currently using your mic. If it's an app you don't need, simply swipe off from the bottom. Find the app and close it. This often removes the orange dot immediately. If the dot is still there, you can turn off microphone access completely. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Now here, find Microphone and launch it. Toggle off access for apps you don't want using the mic. Likewise, head back. Sometimes the dot is caused by iPhone's accessibility features, so navigate to the option Accessibility, scroll down and head over to the option Vocal Shortcuts. Toggle off for that option. Once you do this, the orange dot should disappear. And that's it. That's how you can turn off the orange dot on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.